Hello, my name is Joana. I'm 21 years old, and about 3 months ago I came to Zagreb from Vilnius, the capital of Lithuania. I came to study journalism at VERN University of Applied Sciences within Erasmus semester. Back home in Vilnius, I study creative and entertainment industries at SMK University of Applied Social Sciences. I find VERN University to be very modern, creative and ambitious. Students and lecturers are friendly and hospitable. Studying at VERN for me is interesting, useful and inspiring. I had a chance to travel and see the beautiful side of Croatia. I've been to Plitvice, Međimurje, and today I'm going to Dubrovnik. I hope to gain many more memorable life experiences like this one in Zagreb. And I wish you, my fellow students, a successful and prosperous future, wherever it takes you. Sretno! Sėkmės!